Wherever you are around the globe, welcome. Glad to have you aboard. I'm just fishing at the little pond in Deniliquin today. I've only got bread and corn. I'm hoping to catch a big carp. I was hoping it wouldn't be windy today. You can actually see the fish in there swimming, and I was hoping to get some footage of that, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. But we'll give it a go for a little bit, see if we can catch something. Oh, finally getting a bite. Oh, yes. Oh, we finally got one. Feisty little guy. That's all he is, just a little guy. Right. A little bigger than I thought. So there we go. Just a little carp. Probably about 25 centimeters or so. We caught him on corn. It's another one. This is a tiny guy. Just a tiny guy. Oh, there we go. Another guy about the same size as the last one, I guess. About 25 centimeters or so, again on corn. So that's two. So not too bad. After the first couple hours not catching anything and only a couple little bites, the wind seems to have dropped, and caught two in the last 15 minutes, so that's good. So it's going to stay like this. I'll stick around a bit longer. The guy I think lives in this little bush tree right here. Comes out and says hello every once in a while. Well, unfortunately the wind's just not going to cooperate today. It's been very tough. The amount of times I've reeled in to check the bait and it's gone. Yeah, it's been tough. But did manage to, both small, but at least it was something. It was good to be back out again. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it.